Let's inspect this 1924 jungle car. Look at this thick but the details are muddy tires. The wear tells a story. The metal is scratched, but we can restore it. Feel the textures. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're restoring this rusty vintage part. Listen to that scrape. This is the satisfying part. Look at the clean metal. Almost there. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're pulling the 1924 vintage car out of this muddy jungle path. Look at that. The wheels are finally gripping. A little more pull and we'll have it clear. Here it is, a 1924 vintage. It's seen better days. The rust is deep, but the frame looks solid. This will be a satisfying restoration. Let's get started on this beauty. Time to blast the grime off this jungle warrior. Watch how this pressure washer peels away decades of dirt. Just listen to that satisfying clean reveal. Alright, let's get this foam working into the cracks. See how the rust is starting to show through? Up a gentle wipe to reveal the clean surface. Alright, starting on this 1924 jungle car. The rust is thick, but we're going to smooth it out. Feel that texture change. The metal's getting smoother already. Perfect. On to the next section. Alright, let's fix this corrosion on the 1924 model. Watch the sparks fly. They're sealing the metal. Satisfying to see the rust vanish. Next, the engine teardown. Welcome back. Today, we're cleaning this 1924 vintage engine. First, a degreaser spray to loosen the oil. Now scrubbing with a soft brush. Look at that. The oil is just dripping away. Alright, the curing process is complete. Let's see that finish. Look at that. A perfect mirror-like gloss. This is the satisfying part of the restoration. Alright, let's get this windshield seated just right. Perfect alignment. Now for the final adjustments. And there we go. Crystal clear. Alright, let's get this 1924 engine running. Adjusting the fan belt now. Hear that? It's purring like a kitten. Welcome to the final reveal of this 1924 restoration. The dark green tastes flawless and the chrome gleams. Every detail has been brought back to life. What a journey.